And we're making tuna steaks with a lemon pepper butter.
This is a beautiful piece.
Now, Jamie's gonna oil that. And these tuna steaks are about a pound each. A little salt and pepper, a little olive oil. Now, I'm gonna make like a compound butter.
Yay!
To put on top of this for when we get through. The compound butter is just gonna be 1 stick of butter, really down to room temperature, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, a little black pepper.
How much you want, Mom? A little pinch?
Yeah, that's good. So, look how soft that butter was, y'all. And we need 2 tablespoons of lemon zest and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice.
Now, Mom, we got an extra lemon down here, so I'm gonna cut it in half, y'all. This is so beautiful to do if you're working out on the grill. I'm just gonna cut the 2 halves and dunk it right down in our sugar here, Mom. I'm gonna put it on the grill, and this is gonna caramelize, and it looks gorgeous. It's gonna be a beautiful piece on our plate, but you squeeze that sugary lemon on top of this fish, and oh my gosh.
I love doing peaches and apricots, you know, that same way on the grill, y'all. It's a healthy way,
We're grilling everything
a healthy way
today.
to just have a little something sweet at the end of the meal.
So I'm gonna put these right down on the grill.
Okay.
Great. And we're gonna do a little grilled bread too, Mom?
Oh, yeah. Because we are gonna serve this tuna on a piece of toasted bread.
Of course we are.
All right, now what I'm gonna do, son, is just mix this up good. And you can see it's really gotten soft.
I cut this bread
I'm gonna stick this in our refrigerator and give it a chance to kind of chill up a little bit more so it won't melt so fast on our fish. All right, so let's put our fish on, and probably no more than 2 or 3 minutes per side, y'all. And we're gonna flip it once, eat and enjoy. So you can see the piece of tuna as it starts to change colors next to the grill. You don't want that tan color to get anywhere near the middle of that fish.
I'm ready to eat.
All right, and I think I'm ready to flip it, son. I don't want any overcooked tuna.
Bread smells so good.
Doesn't it smell good?
Look at this.
Gonna be delicious. Our lemons are like perfect. We've got our toast ready.
Ooh, great time of day. Oh,
Even though there's no rosemary in here, I'm just gonna borrow a little piece because I just love the idea of a little something green on our plate.
so pretty. I get that butter
All
for
right, okay. I mean, it maybe got a little cool, son, but not much.
What you think? We ain't messing around here today.
I mean,
We're grilling inside. We got butter, caramelized lemons.
look at this.
Do it.
All right, now look here, y'all. You see how that tuna is still a beautiful pink color inside? That is like perfect. A little squeeze of lemon.
Y'all fix this for dinner tonight. Go to the store.
Is this not like fit for a king?
This is awesome. I'm good.
Oh my goodness. The flavors are so simple, but yet so intense. And the little sweetness running through that lemon is exquisite.
I'm serious about eating this, y'all. I'm sorry.